8 rules to become dangerous. Number 1. When you speak with someone, try to see your reflection in the other person's eyes. This will intensify your gaze and make you appear more imposing. Number 2. When someone else is speaking, listen. When you speak, make sure they listen. And if they interrupt you, create an awkward silence. They won't interrupt you anymore. Number 3. In moments of chaos, remain calm. Thanks to the clarity of your mind, you will be the winner. Number 4. If you are insulted, don't get upset. Just silently look that person in the eyes and they will notice your power. Number 5. Smile with your eyes more than with your mouth. Number 6. Never answer immediately. Take a few seconds and respond accurately. Silence is power. Number 7. Walk with your shoulders back and spine straight. That shows comfort. Number 8. Speak more slowly. This is a sign of confidence and assurance.